Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the volume indicator in NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, then go to this icon here at the top, click on it, and here on available, scroll down until you see volume up down, this one. Click on it 2 times and click on apply. As you can see here, this is our volume. Now let's say, for example, you want to make these bars bigger. All you have to do is scroll down, go to plots, up volume. We have here width. So let's make it 4. Click on apply. As you can see, the same thing with down volume. Let's make them 4 or let's make them 5. Okay, 5. As you can see, let's say you want to change this color to green. Click on it and choose, for example, this one. Click on apply and click on OK. As you can see, now we have here the volumes. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.